Here I will install all of the remaining parts of the generator. Put back the bypass breather hose. Time to fill the engine with fresh oil. This is the drain bolt with a washer gasket, and this is the dipstick. Here it has a cross-thread pattern, but don't worry, you don't have to focus on the dipstick. You just have to fill the engine until the oil comes out dripping, which indicates the max level. Insert a tube with a funnel. I will be using this Honda engine oil. Now that it drips, it is now full. If it is not dripping anymore, you can now return the dipstick. Pull the recoil starter gently to lubricate some of the internal engine parts. After filling up the engine, I proceed to the upper part of the generator. Reinstall the rubber grommets along with its metal sleeve. Now gently put on the fuel tank. Next is the control board. Make sure to connect every electrical connectors. Also, make sure the rubber grommets of the harness are installed properly. Here I have a homemade bracket for a fuel filter. This is a small, cheap, and useful mod. Insert each hoses. Secure it with a clamp. This is the air filter, which is a sponge. Put some engine oil into the filter. Squeeze it to spread the engine oil. This is required according to the service manual of this generator. Kinda similar to K&N filters. Put it back along with the air filter box cap. The fuel will always be clean thanks to this little mod, avoiding carburetor problems. Here are the original decals. And here are the ones I replicated. Time to put it into the generator. These decals are for the control board. Another one will be placed on the top of the control board. These are for the fuel tank. Make sure the bolts are tight. This small metal piece is a gas level indicator label. Here I put some small amount of contact cement adhesive. Place it and put some pressure. Now there's one remaining thing that is missing. Although this is optional. I will put film protectant to prevent any drops of gasoline which can damage the paint of the fuel tank. Here's now the result of the restoration of the Honda EP1800 GX160 generator.
so strong.